Hello everyone. Now moving to the second section of the optimizer, that is finding a specific strategy. Before starting this demo, it is recommended to watch the first part of this tool, that is find strategy. Clicking on find specific. Now the first step is selection of the symbol and direction and defining the risk in the strategy. You can select symbol as per your accordance. Either you can select any index or you can select any stock. Let's take Nifty as of now. Then you have to define your direction, that may be bullish, bearish, either ways or oscillate. You can define as per your accordance. I am taking bullish as of now. Then you can select the risk profile of the strategies, whether you want to have strategies with the limited risk or whether you want to have all the strategies. So let's take all strategies. You can define as per your accordance. Then we will select next, and now we are on the second step. Here the algorithm has evaluated approx 200 million combination and then has given the best optimal strategies. On the top left you can see the direction and selected symbol, and on the top right you can see the risk type of the strategy. Here you can select any of the strategies. Let's take bull call spread. Selecting bull call spread. Now we are on the third step, that is find. Here you can see the current market price. Then you can set the target date for the strategies. Suppose you have a view of 3 days, you can select the date as per it. Suppose you have a view of 3 days from today, you can select the date as per it. So I have a view till 24th. I will select 24th. Then you have to select your target and stop loss. So for my strategy, I am taking the target of 11,750 and my stop loss, I want it to be 11,300. I will select done. Further, you can see the optional parameters. For the detailed explanation of this filter, it is recommended to watch the previous video. As of now, we are skipping the optional parameters. Now we are on the fourth step, that is summary. Here you have the summary of the selected strategy. Here you also have the small payoff chart of your defined strategy, and you can also see the target and stop loss of your strategy. On the top of target and stop loss, you have selected all strategies with 3 days of the view for the strategy. Going towards the downside of the screen, you can see the strategies. Here you might see 5 strategies. So in these strategies, it have different leg-wise strategies of your selected strategies. In every strategy, you can see the payoff based on the mean, then draw up and draw down, then ROI of the strategy and the reward ratio of the strategy. Now you can select any strategy and can see the detail of that strategy. Let's take the 5-star strategy. It means this particular strategy is the most optimal in the bull call spread. So we'll take the first one. Now we are in the step 5, that is details. You have the complete details about the strategies, your selected symbol and strike. Then you can see the risk profile, that is limited for this strategy. Then you have the margin. Now you have to note down one point. The margin here might not be similar with the broker's margin, because the margin here is a span margin as required by the exchange, and your broker might take the additional exposure margin on it. So the disclaimer here is, discuss with your broker regarding the margin before taking any trade. Then you can see the days to the expiry. Then you have days to the strategy, and then reward to risk of that particular strategy. Then you can see the strategy leg details. Here you have two legs. In first leg you are buying one lot of 11,550 call option of 24 September at 59.9 premium. And for the second leg you are selling one lot at 11,750 call of September 24 at 7.9. Moving ahead, you can see the volatility. You have the ATM volatility and skew up and skew down. Here the skew up and skew down is by default is 25. The algorithm is taking the volatility of 20%. You can also change it in optional parameters. Then you can see the profit and loss of your target and stop loss with the ATM volatility, that is mean, and profit and loss based on best IV and worst IV, that is skew up and skew down. And on the last section you have the maximum and minimum profit and loss within forecast, which says how much will be your profit and loss within forecast. Now moving to the last step, that is analysis of the strategy. We will click on analyze. Here you can see a profit and loss chart of the forecasted data, and this is not the expiry level profit and loss. Then you have different chart types. You also have the table view. Here you can see the level wise profit and loss. And on the side of the table view you have settings. Here you can change your days and can see the payoff accordingly by changing your day slider. Then you can also see your payoff with the help of IV skew slider. If you have the view that in your selected days the IV will change, so you can change as per your accordance. Then you can also define your upper and the lower bound. Lastly, clicking on the three dots, you can share your strategies on various social media platforms or can open this strategy in the Architect. Thank you.